Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of spending hours cleaning messy data manually, you're going to love today's video. I'll show you how to clean and analyze data fast using Power Query in both Microsoft Excel and Power BI. Whether you're working with sales data, customer feedback, or financial reports, Power Query will save your time and sanity. Let's dive in. So what exactly is Power Query? Power Query is a powerful ETL tool standing for Extract, Transform, Load, built into Excel and Power BI. It allows you to import data from multiple sources, clean it up, and shape it exactly the way you want without writing a single line of code. For this tutorial, we'll work with a messy sales data set containing duplicates, missing values, and poorly formatted columns. In Excel, click on Data, then Get and Transform, and select from Table/Range to open Power Query. Next, let's remove any duplicate entries. Just select the columns, then click on Remove Duplicates on the toolbar. We only want rows with valid sales data. Use the Filter dropdown to remove blank or irrelevant entries. Let's split this full name column. Right-click, then select Split Column, followed by Delimiter, and choose Space. Done. Missing values? Replace them with defaults or remove rows entirely. Use Replace Values or remove rows accordingly. Ensure every column has the correct data type, date, number, or text. Power Query auto-detects it, but it's good to review. Let's add a new column to tag high sales. Click Add Column, then Conditional Column, and set your logic. If you have customer data in another table, you can merge it with your sales data using merge queries, just like a VLOOKUP, but better. When you're done, click Close and Load to push it back to Excel. In Power BI, choose Close and Apply. Your clean data is ready. Now that the data is clean, you can start analyzing it. In Excel, use pivot tables and charts. In Power BI, create visuals with drag and drop ease, bar charts, KPIs, slicers, and more. A few tips to remember. Always keep a backup of your raw data. Name your steps clearly in Power Query. Avoid too many manual edits after loading data. And that's how you clean and analyze data fast with Power Query. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment below if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more data tutorials like this. Want the sample dataset and steps? Check the link in the description. Until next time, keep analyzing smart.